Hello, nice to meet you. This is David. Welcome to TDCH, the Digital Chapters. Let's start with Content Marketing course made for you.
Unveiling the foundations of content marketing. Welcome, learners, to the exciting world of content marketing. This first module will equip you with the core principles that define this dynamic approach. Forget traditional, interruptive marketing. Content marketing is about a fundamental shift in how businesses connect with their audience. That's the essence of content marketing. It's about standing out from the noise with something truly helpful, not just shouting your message. Remember those annoying commercials? Content marketing flips the script. It offers valuable information, engaging stories, and insightful perspectives that earn attention, not demand it. The definition of content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that involves creating, publishing, and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. The primary goal is to attract, engage, and retain a clearly defined audience, leading to increased brand awareness, customer loyalty, and ultimately driving profitable customer action. Content marketing is seen as a process that goes beyond traditional advertising, focusing on building relationships, trust, and authority with the target audience. The content created is intended to be informative, helpful, and tailored to meet the needs and interests of the audience, positioning the brand as a valuable resource in its industry. Content marketing isn't new. Think of those pamphlets companies used to hand out. Those were early forms of content marketing, building trust and awareness. Today, technology allows us to reach more people and create even better content. The evolution of content marketing. To truly appreciate the power of content marketing, let's take a brief journey through its evolution. From the earliest forms of storytelling etched on cave walls to the digital age, where information flows seamlessly through the interconnected web, content marketing has been a constant force, adapting and evolving to meet the changing needs of consumers. Believe it or not, even prehistoric ancestors were content creators. Their cave paintings served as early content marketing, sharing valuable information about hunting, dangers, and culture. Before 1440, they were essentially telling stories that helped their communities survive and thrive. Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press in 1440 marked a turning point. Pamphlets, brochures, and almanacs emerged, often containing subtle marketing messages alongside informative content. Think Benjamin Franklin's Poor Richard's Almanac, promoting his printing business while offering practical advice and witty sayings. Fast forward to the industrial age, 1800 to 1900, and companies like John Deere and Coca-Cola used magazines and sponsored content to educate consumers and build brand loyalty. Imagine beautifully crafted catalogs and informative articles highlighting product benefits. The internet revolutionized everything, including content marketing. Websites became digital storefronts and blogs emerged as platforms for sharing information and building communities. Search engine optimization, SEO, has become crucial for online discoverability. Remember the days of keyword stuff articles? The rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram transformed the landscape once again. Content marketing became interactive and community-driven. Brands started creating engaging content like infographics, videos, and social media posts to connect directly with their audience. Remember the rise of influencer marketing and user-generated content. Today's landscape, content marketing is all about personalization and authenticity. Data helps tailor content to individual preferences, while influencer marketing leverages trusted voices to reach specific audiences. User-generated content and interactive formats further blur the lines between brand and audience. Remember, building relationships and providing value is key. Key concepts: the building blocks of success. At the heart of effective content marketing lie key concepts that serve as the foundation for successful campaigns. Content marketing isn't just about churning out content. It's a deliberate and strategic approach. We'll delve into the symbiotic relationship between content and strategy, understanding how they work in tandem to achieve overarching business goals. Benefits beyond measure. Why invest time and resources in content marketing? Let's uncover the myriad benefits that make it an indispensable tool in the modern marketer's arsenal. From enhancing brand visibility and generating qualified leads to positioning your brand as an industry authority, the advantages of content marketing are vast and impactful. As we progress through this module, keep in mind that content marketing is a nuanced and tailored approach. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, strategic planning, and consistent execution. Content marketing encompasses several key concepts that distinguish it from traditional marketing practices, highlighting its strategic and audience-centric approach. Two fundamental concepts central to understanding content marketing are content marketing versus traditional marketing. Content marketing diverges from traditional marketing by prioritizing the creation and dissemination of valuable, relevant, and consistent content over direct promotional messages. Unlike traditional marketing, which often relies on interruptive advertising methods, content marketing aims to attract and engage audiences by providing information that aligns with their interests and needs. Traditional marketing, interruptive, pushes messages to a broad audience, focuses on features and benefits, often with a hard sell. Limited reach and engagement, often seen as intrusive. Examples: TV commercials, billboards, print ads. Content marketing, informative and engaging, attracts and retains a specific audience, offers valuable content, builds trust and authority, earns attention through helpfulness, not demands. Examples: blog posts, infographics, videos, podcasts, social media content. Content strategy and its significance. 1. A well-defined content strategy is crucial for successful content marketing. 2. It outlines your goals, target audience, content types, distribution channels, and metrics for measuring success. 3. A strong strategy ensures your content is *relevant, meets the needs and interests of your target audience. *consistent, maintains a consistent brand identity and message. *engaging, uses storytelling, visuals, and other elements to capture attention. *measurable, allows you to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Benefits of a content strategy: increased brand awareness and visibility. Improved lead generation and conversion rates. Stronger customer relationships and loyalty. Enhanced brand reputation and authority. Cost-effective marketing approach with long-term benefits. Whoa, learners! We covered a lot of ground in just 8 minutes, haven't we? From the philosophical shift of content marketing to its fascinating evolution, we've explored the key concepts that unlock its potential. Here's a quick recap of what you've learned in Module 1. Content marketing isn't just about selling. It's about building relationships and providing value. It's attracting your audience with relevant, helpful content, not shouting your message at them. We saw how content marketing has evolved through time, from cave paintings to social media. This journey highlights its adaptability and power to connect with audiences in ever-changing landscapes. Personalization and authenticity are the buzzwords of today's content marketing scene. Data helps tailor content to individual preferences, while influencers bridge the gap and user-generated content blurs the lines between brand and audience. We also delved into key concepts like the difference between content and traditional marketing, and the importance of a strategic content plan. This plan ensures your content is relevant, consistent, engaging, and measurable. But wait, there's more. Module 1 is just the launchpad. Prepare to dive deeper in Module 2, understanding your audience. So, are you ready to embark on a deeper content marketing journey? Join me in Module 2. Remember, the power lies in building relationships, delivering value, and connecting with your audience in meaningful ways. See you there, content champions.